He's coming, he's coming, he's coming, he's coming. He's so long.
Whoa. I want to touch it so bad.
Me too. But we're not allowed to, and it might like do something.
But are these its feathers?
But it has beautiful feathers on it.
Is he gonna eat that? Is he gonna eat that? He's eating it, he's eating it.
Called a great orange pheasant.
Yeah, we saw it over there.
Yeah.
He's eating it, he's eating it.
If he's in the mood, he can open his wings to a fan. Like
Oh.
Like a peacock. You have peacock
a
here?
piece of pheasant.
You have peacock here? You have peacock here?
No.
He's going over to the tablet.